Potential jurors picked up their questionnaires for the trial of former Judge Herman Thomas.
And Bob, hours after that, a judge dropped some of the charges against Thomas. Now, Thomas is accused of giving inmates leniency if they granted him sexual favors.
Fox 10 News reporter April Douglas spent the day at the courthouse. She joins us live once again from downtown. April, what can you tell us?
Well, Bob, just a few hours ago, a hearing did conclude here at the Mobile County Courthouse. Former Circuit Judge Herman Thomas is accused of sexual abuse, extortion, and kidnapping. He faces 83 counts. As you said, a judge did dismiss 20 ethics violations today because of the statute of limitations. This is the form that jurors picked up today, and here is some video from what happened. 300 potential jurors were called to the Mobile County Courthouse as jury selection for the Herman Thomas trial got underway.
Basically, the judge would take roll to see who's here. Then the judge would begin the qualification process and explain to the jurors what the law has to say in regard to that.
Potential jurors picked up an 8-page survey. In that survey, they are asked if they have ever attended a rally in support of the defendant, former Circuit Judge Herman Thomas, or whether or not they are a member of a number of organizations, including the 100 Black Men of Greater Mobile, Alpha Kappa Alpha sorority, as well as the Delta Chi fraternity, and whether or not they have any ties to Bishop State.
And those questionnaires would have to be filled out and then collected, collated, and distributed to the legal teams, who will spend the balance of the day and probably all day tomorrow reading those.
It's all part of the process of picking a fair jury, 12 members, to hear the case against Herman Thomas. And there are 15 victims in this case. 7 of those are still behind bars. There was talk about whether or not all 15 will be able to sit in the courtroom and listen as each one testifies. The judge says he will not allow that to happen. This judge is Claude Nielsen. He is from out of Mobile County. He's in Marengo County. And I do want to say that today the defense did say that former Judge Herman Thomas has complete faith in the judicial system. Once again, here is a copy of that survey. Both attorneys were able to pick that up today. We saw them. It was shortly before 4 o'clock when they got that. They'll spend the better day, as you heard District Attorney Tyson say, going through these, combing through these, so that they can seat a jury in this case. Judge Nielsen said he'd like it to get underway as soon as possible. Reporting live from downtown Mobile, April Douglas, Fox 10 News.